This is the finishing lab, and up for auction is the LEX drill by Nidek. This is a fairly new drill. It's only been used maybe a dozen times. And I'm going to run through a quick demo on the ICE 1000. I have a job here on the screen. I'm just going to lay out a couple drill holes. And when you have an ICE 1000, the layout on the integrated shape imager is very, very easy. So all you're doing is really just laying out the drill holes, go on to the next section, increase the drill holes to fit the shadow, and into there. There's our shape. Back to the layout, and then we'll go to the blocker. And this will be a job, we'll keep this as 18. And then we're going to come over to the edger and pull up this job. So here's our job 18, and we're going to go ahead and change this over to poly flat. We don't need to polish it, but it indicates the drill. It's fairly new. This is on the first drill bit, so not much use on it. And we'll go ahead and take the lens, put it in the chamber. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll come back as soon as we put it into the drill. Okay, so the job's all finished edging in here, and it's cut without any drill holes, of course. And when you come over to the drill, it's actually blinking for the right eye. So the right eye is ready to go in, and this just fits right into the little chuck holder. The chuck holder is very, very similar to what's on the edger. You can see there it's just like the block holder, and when you get this in there, close the door and push start, and it's going to chuck it, and the drill is going to come out. So what this is going to do is it's going to drill through all the way, and then it's going to bore it out to the second size, or the final size. So if this is a 1.8 millimeter hole, it's a 1 millimeter bit, and then what it's going to do is it's going to drill it out to 1.8 millimeter. Now, while this is doing it, you can actually go ahead and edge the left eye. The problem that you'll have when you edge the left eye is if you want to make any changes to the right eye once it's done, you will not be able to. So I always encourage let the right eye go, and then once the right eye is done drilling, you can go on to the left eye over here. The retouch and everything is all done on this edger. So if you go into the retouch mode on this edger, it will actually give you the the whole option. So once this is done drilling, you'll be able to actually go down to the whole option and edit any of the whole information. So you can't retouch any of the drill hole size. So you see it's done with the first hole, and now it's going to start on the second hole. Once it's done with that side, then it'll go on and move over to the other side. Now once you've got you done with your left eye and you come over here, your left eye will be blinking instead of your right eye, indicating that it's ready for the left eye. So we'll go ahead and stop this now. And once it's done, what it's going to do is it'll go back to its home position. And it will, the blade will go underneath to protect it so you don't get poked. And then you just pull your lens out, and there you are. So if you've got any questions, please feel free to give us an email, and we can answer any questions you've got. So this is just for the LEX drill, and it's the drill only with the cord and what's included in the auction.